Hey everybody, this video got a Schlage F-Series knob, and we're going to see if we can pick and decode it here with the new SC1 Lishi. And so took this out of a house a couple months ago and set it aside, waiting on these Lishis to show up here. No key for it. I'm going to lock it back and hopefully decode it, and then we'll go cut a key and see how we did here. So I got it sideways a little bit. It is locked here. Just have it sideways so we can hopefully see the tool in action here. Alright, so we got to insert it in. Everybody can see. Okay, so apply some tension here. And okay, we've got 1 springy, 2 springy, 3 springy. Okay, 4 is kind of stiff, but it does go bounce 1 depth, so I'm going to leave it alone. Okay, 5 is binding, so we get a little bit of a click on 5. Go back to 1, 2, 3, and I'm still springy. Okay, now 4. Okay, click on 4. Back to 1. 3 is stiff. On these F-series, it seems like you almost have to counter rotate on every pin. Okay, and we're open, so pretty easy. Now let's see, we're unlocked, so let me rotate it back. Now this is actually my second try. I tried this last night and I couldn't get it, had a lot of trouble with it. And it's because it does want to like counter rotate on every pin as if they were spools, even though of course there's no spools in these F-series, but that's the way it works here when you're picking it. So see if we can decode it here. And on our first depth, it is sitting on a 3. And we're at a 7. And on number 3, we were at a 4. 4, we were at a 5. And number 5, we were at a 7. So 3, 7, 4, 5, 7. Go cut a key here, and we'll be right back. All right, so got our key here. And we get the Lishi out. And key works nicely, so it was successfully picked and decoded. And that there is a F-series knob, you know, with the wonderful floating pin cap I know we all love. And that's going to, I guess, do it for this video then, and we'll talk to you about it later.